Deno 1.36 was just released, and here is a quick run through the most interesting additions. If you are familiar with Deno, you probably know that one of its main selling points is its security-first approach. Developers have to opt in and explicitly let their code and dependencies make network requests, access the file system, or use other potentially risky APIs with the allow CLI flag. These options are a bit rigid in certain scenarios, so Deno is now supporting the deny family of runtime flags to enable a more flexible permission system. With this new addition, if you'd like your program to have access to any URL it would like, except for specific IP addresses and domains, you can use the following command. This approach works with the file system as well, so you should get the point. With Deno, you build really secure programs in a flexible manner. Deno 1.36 also introduces improvements to testing. You can now output the results of Deno test runs using new, custom formatters. Take for instance the newly supported JUnit format, which can be consumed natively by many services like GitLab or Jenkins, or the dot report aimed at people who like a more concise, clean reporting approach. Deno Bench has also been improved with new functionality. Previously, Deno Bench gave surprising results for the first bench case run due to the just-in-time bias. The V8 engine over-optimizes the benchmark function, then bails out of the optimization later, leading to non-representative results. This has been fixed by running a warm-up function before the user-defined bench cases. Also, you can be more granular and precise with benchmarking by using the new Deno Bench Context Start and Deno Bench Context End functions to determine when to start and end the measurements. We've also updated the Deno Bench output to include iterations per second. These are just the main improvements we wanted to highlight. Of course, there are many others, and you can view them in greater detail in the blog post linked into the description. Finally, we couldn't build Deno without the help of our community. Whether by answering questions in our community Discord server or reporting bugs, we are really grateful for all your support. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you want to stay up to date with the Deno world, and until next time, thank you for watching.